Welcome to Class 10 Insight. We are continuing to solve the model question paper, first model question paper, Class 10 Mathematics. Third main, it consists of 8 questions of 2 mark. We also have options. So each question carries 2 marks. First one, prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. To solve these kind of problems, first we have to assume. Let us assume 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. If it is a rational number, then by the property of rational number, we know that it can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime numbers and Q is not equal to 0. On simplifying, root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 3. Taking LCM, Q is the LCM, we get it as P minus 3Q. Root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q divided by, we get root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q by Q. Now we can observe that root 5, which is an irrational number, how can that be equal to a rational number? Which is not possible. Hence, it is contradictory to our assumption. It is contradictory to our, what was our assumption? 3 plus root 5 was a rational number. This itself is wrong. If it is being a rational number is wrong, then what it is? It is an irrational number. Since our assumption was proved to be wrong, we concluded that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Coming to the next question, 18th question. What is a composite number and which is the composite number among 23 and 24? If we discuss what is a composite number, then it will be easy to judge whether 23 and 24 among them which is the composite number. A composite number is a number which has more than 2 factors. The number which is said to be a composite number, it should have more than 2 factors. Then we call it as a composite number. Or we can also tell that it is not a prime number. Means a prime number will have only one and itself as its factor. But what about a composite number? Along with one and itself, it will have some more numbers as its factors. So, if we go in an order for the natural numbers, we start with the counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 is, it is neither a prime nor a composite number. 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. What about 4? It is a first composite number. Which are the factors for 4? It is 1, 2 and 4. So it has more than 2 factors. It is a composite number. Example of a composite number, and it is the first composite number. Now, knowing these concepts, if we discuss about the factors of 23 and 24, 23 is having 1 and itself as its factor, which is a prime number. What about 24? It has 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. Coming to the factors of 24, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 as its factor. It has got more than 2 factors. Hence, among 23 and 24, 24 is a composite number. Hope the solution is clear. Coming to the next question. So we have a OR question for the 18th question. State the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. So what is the fundamental theory of arithmetic? That is, every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. As a product of primes. We have seen that example in the previous question. It will help you to understand very clearly. So this is the fundamental theory of arithmetic. Now, write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factor. So which is the number which has got 7 and 3 as its factor? It is 21. So it has only 7 and 3 as its factor along with 1 and itself. So 21 is the number which has 7 and 3 as its prime factors. Coming to the next questions. Find the 21st term of the arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13 using the formula. So what is the arithmetic progression they have given? It is 5, 9, 13. We are supposed to find the 21st term. So we very well know that T21 is equal to A plus 20D. How do we get this? From this formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If n is here, it is n minus 1. So n is 21. So n minus 1 will be 20. So you have to find the 21st term. What is the first term here? It is 5 plus 20. And D, it is very clear the difference. 9 minus 5. It is 4. 13 minus 9. It is also 4. So the difference between the successive terms is the common difference. It is 4. On simplifying, we get it as 5 plus 80. That is nothing but 85 is the 21st of the given AP. 20th question. Solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. So the given equation is x plus y is equal to 4 to x plus y is equal to 6. Subtracting 4 minus 6 is minus 2 plus 5 minus y gets cancelled plus x and minus x is minus x, greater number sign is minus, that is nothing but minus 1x. So minus 1x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 by x is equal to 2. So, substituting the value of x in any one of the equations, let us take the first equation. X plus y is equal to 4. Substitute 2 plus y is equal to 4. Y is also equal to 2. Hence, x is equal to 2 and y is also equal to 2. Coming to the next question. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 equals 0 has two equal real roots, then find the value of the equation. And what is the condition they have given? B is less than 1. So what is the given equation? X square plus dx plus 9 equals 0. On comparing with the standard form of the equation, it is in the standard form. On comparing with the standard form of the equation, it is in the standard form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So for the standard equation, we have the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is the discriminant, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b divided by 2a. This is the discriminant of the standard form of the equation. So, for this condition, the discriminant will be equal to 0. What is b square? On comparing, b is b itself, 4 as it is. What is A? Coefficient of x square. It is 1. C is the constant. 9 is equal to 0. B square minus 36 is equal to 0. B square is equal to 36. That is B is equal to plus or minus root of 36. That is equal to plus or minus 6. That is B is equal to plus 6 or minus 6. This is ruled out. We have to consider this answer. B is equal to minus 6. What is the reason? Because in the question itself, it is mentioned that the value of B to be considered should be less than 1. Since plus 6 is greater than 1 and minus 6 is less than 1, this is the answer. Coming to the next question. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining the points a1, minus 3 and b8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. What is the meaning of the question? If this is the line joining the points A and B whose coordinates are 1, minus 3 and 8, 5, let us imagine this is in the Cartesian plane and it is being divided in the ratio 3:1. So the points which is going to divide this line AB in the ratio 3:1, let us consider it as P of x, y. These coordinates we are supposed to find. So this is point A, 1, minus 3. We will consider it as x1, y1. B points are considered as x2, y2. And the ratio they have given is 3:1, nothing but m1:m2. So what is the formula? We use the section formula. P of x, y is equal to, there is an easy method to remember the formula, that is m1 plus m2 in the denominator, m1 plus m2, and in the numerator we take it as mx plus mx, that is the x coordinate. Here we take it as my plus my, and in the cyclic order 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. This is the easiest way to remember the section formula, that is m1x, m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 by, that is m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. On substituting the values, m1 is 3, x2 is 8, plus m2 is 1, x1 is 1, m1 plus m2 is 3 plus 1, m1 is 3, y2 is 5, m2 is 1 again, y1 is minus 3, m1 plus m2 is 3 plus 1. On simplifying, we get it as 24 plus 1 by 4, 15 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 25 by 4, 15 minus 3 is 12 by 4, nothing but 25 by 4, 4 ones are 4 threes are, 3. So these are the coordinates of the point P of x, y. That is 25 by 4, 3. Coming to the next question. In the figure, xy is a tangent at the point P to a circle with center O. Q is a point on the line xy. Show that the line OQ. Suppose we join, we get the line OQ, which it should be greater than OP. So first we have to do the construction. What is the construction we have to do? Join O and Q. Let us start with the solution. What is given? XY is a tangent which touches the circle at the point P. Construction, we are supposed to join points O and Q. So, coming to the proof, considering a triangle OPQ, that is after the construction, if you see, we can say that angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree. How do we say this angle is 90 degree? It is from the theorem, that is the tangent and the radii, they meet, the point where they meet, it forms 90 degree. Hence, OPQ is now a right angled triangle which is right angled at P. So, the side opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. So, from this triangle OPQ, OQ is the hypotenuse. OQ is the hypotenuse. From Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the other two sides, that is OP square plus PQ square. Which is the hypotenuse? It is OQ. And in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Hence, proved. So, we proved that OQ is the OQ is the longest side. Hence, it is greater than PQ also. Coming to the next question, 24th question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. It is mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Find the total surface area of the toy. So, if this is the cone shaped toy, it is mounted on a hemisphere. It is given that the radius of the cone and the radius of the hemisphere, it is 3.5 centimeter. So, this is 3.5 centimeter. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. So, the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter given. You have to find the total surface area of the toy. What is the total surface area of the toy? It is curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. So, it is as simple as that. So, first, if we are clear with how to find the total surface of the toy, total surface area of the toy, that is curved surface area of the cone and curved surface area of the hemisphere, on substituting the formula, we will get the answers. What is the curved surface area of the cone formula? It is pi r L, and curved surface area of the hemisphere, it is 2 pi r square. Do we know the value of pi? Yes, it is 22/7. Do we know the value of r? Yes, it is given for cone as well as for the hemisphere, it is 3.5. Do we know the value of L? That is the slant height of the cone? No, we don't know the slant height of the cone, for which we have a formula. Slant height is equal to, that is L is equal to root of r square plus h square. What is r? It is nothing but the radius 3.5 square. H is the height of the cone. How to find height of the cone? How to find height of the cone? We know the height of the toy. Height of the cone is equal to height of the toy minus height of the hemisphere. So, that is height of the toy, complete toy, it is given it is 15.5 centimeter minus what is the height of the toy. Since we know the radius, it is 3.5. Hence, height of the cone is 12 centimeter. We should substitute 12 centimeter here. Why can't we substitute 15.5? Why it will become wrong? Because we are finding the slant height of the cone. And we will consider the height of the cone only, not the whole toy. So, 3.5 square is 12 point. This is 12 square. 3.5 square is 12.25. 12 square is 144. That is equal to root of 156.25. Nothing but slant height is 12.5 centimeter. Now we will be substituting the value of L here in the formula. So the value of L is 12.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 square. That is equal to, we can take 22 by 7 and 3.5 out because they are common. So 22 by 7 into 3.5, if it is taken as common, we remain with 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. 3.5 is taken out. So it is 7 ones are 0.5, it is 3.5, and 22 into 0.5 is nothing but 22 into 1 by 2, that is again 12.5 plus 3.5 into 2 is 7, that is equal to 11 into 19.5, which is equal to 214.5. Since it is total surface area, the unit is centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the cone. If we know the formula clearly, it is very easy to solve for the answer stepwise. Coming to the next question. If it is our question for the 24th question, the volume of the sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Find its surface area. So what is given? Let us start with the question. 24th question, for that it is the or question given. They have given volume of the sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. We should find the surface area. That is the surface area of the sphere. Nothing but curved surface area of the sphere. What is the formula? It is 4 pi r square. Do we know what is r? We have to find the r, that is the radius of the sphere, with the help of the given data. So what is the formula for volume of a sphere? It is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 539 by 3. So r cube is equal to, taking it to the LHS, it becomes divided by 4 by 3. R cube is equal to 539 by 3 into 3 by 4. 3 gets cancelled. It is 4 by 3 pi. Therefore, R cube is equal to 539 by 3 into 3 by 4 pi. 3 get cancelled. In place of pi, we can write it as into 22 by 7, which is again R cube is equal to 539 divided by 4. 539 divided by 4 into 7 by 22. On simplifying, 11 2s are 11 4s are 44. Remaining is 9. It is 11 9s are 99. That is equal to 49 into 7 by 8, which is nothing but 7 square into 7 divided by 2 cube, nothing but 7 cube by 2 cube. So r cube is equal to 7 by 2 whole cube. Therefore, r is equal to 7 by 2. Now we can substitute the value of r to find out the curved surface area of the sphere. So what is the formula for curved surface area of the sphere? It is 4 pi r square, that is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r value is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. On simplifying, 7 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 2s are. It is 22, 11 2s are 22 into 7, that is equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 1 carry 15, 154 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the sphere. The next main 3-mark questions will be solved in the next video. To get the notification and the updates, I request you to subscribe our channel. It will definitely help you in your preparation.